Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. Has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera with a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, and front with gripped running boards on either side. Blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, side view camera. We got a black hood deflector with front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120-volt split folding rear bench seat with tons of storage in the door. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. We got your tailgate, spotlights, lights, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 9 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. We got the digital speedometer right here. Trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To remember, we got our gear select, those collapsible storage cup holders with tons of storage underneath. We do get your center console with tons of storage. Drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with dual climate and heated front seats, 12-volt and 120-volt with storage above, below, and on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We also do get this lovely infotainment system here that has your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls with your navigation, search, recent saved, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, towing, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and oh, come on, girl. And your features of the vehicle. Shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely 360 camera and your backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD27536, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.